DecoNetwork makes it easy to show a store notice message at the top, middle, or bottom of the website. Simply come into Store Configuration, Store Notice, and type what it is that you want to display. Because DecoNetwork is using this rich text format, we can even go into the source and copy and paste HTML. So if you want that running bar across the screen, it's absolutely possible because we can paste that HTML code in here. For now, let's just keep it simple. We love DecoNetwork. And let's go ahead and make it bold. Let's increase the size to 20. And we'll go ahead and make this text color blue. Save. We'll come to the site. You do not need to publish the site. We are updating it in the back, and it's going to automatically update on the front end. Now you can see here we're aligned left. So if we go back to where we were, we'll highlight our text. We'll center it. Click Save. Come back. Refresh. Now we're in the top. Maybe we want to have a background behind it. Again, that's where the source can definitely be helpful to help separate the two. What we can do as well is we can even insert a link. So maybe the just DecoNetwork portion, I want that to be linked, and we'll send that to the contact page. We'll save it. And it takes us to the link. It's really that easy. Again, you can put it in the top body. The bottom of the page is the second most popular. Oh, and let's do that background color. Let's do... Now let's just do red for our example, and let's change this to white. Save. Refresh. It's that simple.